Feels so good to get that throttle therapy. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is about between 26 and 29 degrees is what my temperature gauge has been showing. But it's nice and sunny out, so I decided to take this new GoPro Hero 11 out on a test ride. Show you guys some scenic Utah views for a little bit. And I actually feel pretty warm. I got heated gear going. A nice set of leathers from First MFG. And the roads are dry. So yeah, man, I just wanted to get out here, go for a ride, get some throttle therapy, and what a perfect day. Hope you guys are all doing good. 2025, just had inauguration day yesterday. Some changes coming down the pipe, so yeah, man, I'm really hoping for a great year of riding and discovering new roads. Where I'm at right now is west side of the valley, west side of the Salt Lake Valley. I guess you can call this area over here Harriman. Right there is a big ass copper mine, and those mountains are called the Ochre Mountains. And then way out there, all those big ass mountains you see right there, that's the Wasatch Range. In the summertime, spring, summer, fall, that is the place to be, man. When you're just staying local, some local rides. The Wasatch Range has a bunch of incredible canyons, scenic views, a lot of different types of loops you can do with just the curviest roads. You're up high, man. It's really fun. Woo, let's see what this baby can do. Man, feels so good to get that throttle therapy. I've been missing it, man. It's been really cold all week. I think our low was like, I don't know, it was like 10 degrees. So I haven't been doing much riding to work. There's always this weird thing called lake effect that happens out here in Utah from the Great Salt Lake. So even though it's not supposed to be snowing or forecasted to snow, you still get quite a bit of lake effect snow, and it'll just put like this kind of small layer of powder on the roads, and especially up by me, I'm a little bit higher. What's this guy gonna do? Is that for me, buddy? Ooh. Yeah, so I just thought I'd take you guys out here, man. Check this out. Test out these new settings, see how it does with my microphone. We're using Hyperview, so it's supposed to be like super wide. I am using an ND filter on here. It's like sunglasses for your camera, just to hopefully get some more motion blur, make it look a little bit more cinematic, a little bit cooler for you guys. I'm using frame rate of it's 4K, or no, this one's 5.7K, 30 1/60th shutter speed, and I'm just filming in normal color with the ISO set at like, or no, the ISO is 100 and 100, and the white balance is at 5500 Kelvin. So yeah, hopefully you guys like what you see, man. It's been a winter of just trying out new things with these cameras and trying to get better at the whole editing thing. That way I can bring you guys some epic videos come, oh god, that 360 camera is bouncing. So that way I can bring you guys some awesome footage this year. I have a few plans, man. I have something in the works. I might be transferring facilities, so I might be going east. We'll see if that pans out. If it does, I'm pretty excited, because then we'll be able to hit some new mountain ranges. And yeah, dude, I've really never ridden a motorcycle on the East Coast. The furthest I've been able to get to is Milwaukee. And that took me, I tried to do it in 2 days. It took me just about 3. I tried to get it done the weekend. I actually had to get one more day off to knock it out. So being on the East Coast will be cool. I'll be close enough to still be able to go to Sturgis and Harley Homecoming. Definitely going to try to visit Utah if I can. Ugh. Check out Daytona Bike Week. That'd be sick. But I don't know. We'll see. That'll all be adventures for 2026 if this transfer does go through. But yeah, man, just a few exciting things in the works going on, you know. In my last video, I told you guys what I was doing, what I had planned this season, you know, and we'll kind of see what goes down. I definitely have my small little rides I like to do, like going to Teton National Park and stuff like that. I would really like to get to Sawtooth Mountains, but we shall see if that's a possibility. You never really know, man. They got us scheduled overtime like every weekend, so staffing is short for air traffic controllers right now. So yeah, if you guys are under, I think it's like 31 and graduated high school to have like, what is it, like a year or 2 years of work experience, apply to these air traffic control positions, man, so your boy ATCJeremy can get some time off. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna continue just cruising on my own. I hope you guys enjoyed these views. Thanks for riding with me, man. I really do appreciate all you guys who've been sticking with me and subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next one.